Have you ever wondered what experienced cruisers do differently? After years of cruising together, we've developed a few habits that we do on every single cruise. These aren't expensive hacks or must-buy gadgets. It's simple things we do to help reduce stress, stay organized, and get the most out of every vacation. On this episode of Cruise Talk with Rob and Trish, we're sharing 5 things we do on every cruise that many cruisers don't do. From arriving a day early, nightly recaps, and trying something new. We're planning for your first cruise or you're a seasoned cruiser. We hope these tips help inspire you to create your own cruise traditions. Have you ever wondered if experienced cruisers do things differently from first-time cruisers?
After taking a lot of cruises over the years, we've developed a few habits that we do on every single cruise.
These aren't necessarily cruise hacks or secrets, but
they're simply things that make our cruises more enjoyable, less stressful, and help us get the most out of every sailing.
So today we're going to share 5 things that we do on every cruise.
Let's get started. Number 5, we arrive the day before whenever possible, and you have to make it possible. One thing we've learned is that cruise vacations start off much better when we arrive the day before.
There's nothing fun about worrying if your flight's going to be delayed or if the traffic's going to back you up, and then you'll be late for the ship.
By arriving the day before, we have time to relax, enjoy the city, and start our vacation without stress.
We also like to have the opportunity so we can explore the port city before embarkation day.
Mm-hmm. For us, spending one extra night is worth the peace of mind.
Number 4, we walk the ship on embarkation day. As soon as we get on board, one of the first things we do is we start exploring.
We like to walk the entire ship and get familiar with where everything is located.
We'll find the dining venues, entertainment areas, the casino, the pool deck, lounges, and any place we might want to visit the rest of the week.
It helps us avoid spending the first few days feeling lost.
And sometimes we discover hidden spots on the ship that might become our favorite place.
Okay, number 3, we take photos and notes throughout the cruise. This habit probably comes from being content creators.
We take photos of just about everything.
Menus, daily schedules, excursion information, activities, and even random things we want to remember later.
We also keep notes throughout the cruise.
Sometimes it's for future videos, and sometimes it's just because we know we'll forget the details when we get home.
It's amazing how many memories you can preserve with a few quick photos and some notes. Number 2, we do a nightly recap.
Mm-hmm.
Every evening we spend a few minutes talking about our day.
We talk about what we enjoyed, what surprised us, and what we have planned for the next day.
As content creators, this helps us organize our thoughts for future videos.
But even if you don't have a YouTube channel, it's a great way to reflect on everything you've experienced.
Some of our favorite cruise memories come from those simple conversations at the end of the day.
Mm-hmm. Number 1, we always try something new. This is probably our favorite cruise habit.
On every cruise, we challenge ourselves to try something that we've not done before.
It might be a new excursion, a new restaurant, a new activity, or a place we've never visited.
It's easy to stick with what's familiar.
Some of our best cruise memories have come from trying something outside of our comfort zone.
And that's one of the reasons we keep cruising.
There's always something new to discover.
So those are the 5 things that we do on every cruise.
They may not work for everyone, but they've definitely helped us make our cruises more enjoyable.
And now we want to hear from you.
What is the one thing you do on every cruise?
Leave a comment below and let us know.
And if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for future episodes of Cruise Talk with Rob and Trish.
Thanks for watching.
And we'll see you on the next adventure.